I'm preparing my dinner. This is it, green beans or Baguio beans, we call this one. With tuna meat. Love you guys. I will eat apple. Mabilis lang ito. One tuna meat, guys. Ilagay ko. Of course, with onion, tomato. Wow, so yummy. And mango juice. Habang ako dito, nag-prepare ng dinner, I will eat apple and I will drink juice. Wow! So yummy. Luto na yung yung sinaing na kanin. My rice is already cooked. This one only. This is my favorite. To all my viewers, followers, friends, and families, thank you for all your support and God bless us always. Love you all. Minsan hindi ako agad makareply sa mga comments because I am busy. Ang dami kong works. I have more works, guys. When I'm free, I will reply all the comments. Don't be worried. And thank you so much. Sa mga taong sumusuporta sa akin dito sa social media. And I'm so happy invited na sa content monetization. I have earnings, a small amount, but I am happy and very proud of myself. Keep going and enjoy. Enjoy sa social media. Forget my apple. Very crunchy and very yummy.